This might be the coolest tool I've ever used. It's an inspection camera that lets you see inside of your car's engine, for example. But more on that in a second, because first we'll take a look at this, and this is the iCarsoft Vol 4. It's the updated version of the Vol 3, and this one has Wi-Fi and touchscreen. And you get a lot for your money here, because this one can read fault codes on newer Volvos and Saabs. And you get 2 extra car brands of your choice to download straight into the device. Updates, yeah, you do them directly over Wi-Fi on the device. And with the Volvo you rarely or never have to read any fault codes. But this can do a lot more, like resetting the service light, putting the brakes into service mode, or resetting the battery sensor after a replacement. But if you want to take this a step further, this is the iCarsoft CR Max BT. And yes, this is the one with camera. A seriously powerful diagnostic tool, and now with Bluetooth, so you can scan completely wire-free. It works on over 50 car brands. You take the camera, you plug it in, start the app, and then you can remove this little cover over the camera. And you get 3 different attachments. One, which is a magnet. One that's a little hook, and also one with a little mirror so you can see sideways. And you also have the one that's on there with a light that you can adjust the strength to. If you need a diagnostic tool in your garage, check them out at Vparts.se.